I gotta get my 400. I'll be right back. It's okay. I'm just getting my radio.
You okay?
I'm fine. Yeah. I left it in the garage.
Between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Monday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast North Carolina: Bladen, Brunswick, Columbus, Pender, and New Hanover. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return you to the normal program schedule.
Wow.
The offshore waters forecast for the following Cape Hatteras to Cape Fear from 20 nautical.
So before I close this video out, I would like to explain why you decided to test it the last freaking minute. Because they shouldn't even test it today. There were huge storms going through just an hour ago, and you still tested at the last freaking minute. Jeez. I don't know what's up with you, Wilmington, but you were like one of the most unpredictable and weirdest national weather services, and one of the most likely underrated national weather services I have ever seen.